factor all the way. 20b to the fourth c squared minus 10b cubed c cubed plus 5b squared c squared. When we are asked to factor any type of polynomial, the first thing we always want to look for is to see if there are any greatest common factors that all of the terms share. So when we look for greatest common factors, we want to look at the numbers and then all of the variables. So looking at 20, at 10, and at 5, all three of those terms share a factor of 5. So I'm going to take a 5 and I'm going to pull a 5 out front. And then I want to look at my variables. I'm going to look at one variable at a time. So my b's, I have b to the fourth, b cubed, and b squared. All of those have at least two b's on them, so I'm going to pull the 5 out front and a b squared out front. I'm also going to look at my c's. I have c squared, c cubed, and c squared. All of those have at least a c squared as part of their factors, so I'm going to pull that out front as well. So I'm going to take those three terms, they're going to get pulled out front. What I do now is inside parentheses, I'm going to write everything that's left over in all three of my terms after these got pulled out. So when I have 20 and I pull out 5, I'm left with 20 divided by 5 is 4. If I had 4 b's and I take out 2, I'm left with 2 b's. If I had 2 c's, I take out 2, I'm left with no c's. So I have 4b squared. I bring down my minus sign. If I had 10 and I take out the 5, 10 divided by 5 is 2. If I had 3 b's and I take out 2 b's, I have 1 b left. If I had 3 c's and I take out 2 c's, I have 1 c left. So here I have minus 2bc. And lastly, I had a 5. I took out the 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I had b squared. I took out b squared. I have no b's left. I had c squared. I took out c squared. I have no c squareds left. So the only thing that was left here is the 1 for my 5 divided by 5. That goes inside parentheses, and out front here is my greatest common factor.